Hi, good day, good afternoon, good morning, good night. I don't know where you're watching this video from, but I do want to talk to you though today about like weight loss. Lots of people try to lose weight. Lots of people really don't like to work out or prepare diets. I know I'm one of them because like monthly gym fees are expensive. Not everyone can afford it, but when it comes to losing weight, it's something that's tricky. It is hard, right? But I'm pretty sure that everyone nowadays drinks coffee. So if you're a coffee lover and you want to lose weight, I've got the perfect solution for you. It's something known as Java Burn. Java Burn, thankfully, it is helping so many people to cut down on calories, on fat stores, and this is a fantastic natural formula. And guess what? It's not going to change the taste of your coffee, okay? If you stay tuned and watch this video, you're going to learn how Java Burn works. You're going to discover how you can even use Java Burn. So listen up, okay? But before we move on, this link right here below this video is Java Burn's official webpage, because lots of people have been asking me where to get Java Burn from, and the official webpage is actually the safest place to go. So go directly there, guys, okay? But all right, talking about it changing the taste of your coffee. No, Java Burn most definitely does not change the taste of your coffee. It is a powder form. It is a tasteless powder. So once this powder form mixture gets combined into your caffeine, it's going to like electrify your metabolism. It's going to provide really fast results. But it's just one packet a day. In the morning, of course, because it will help you to get like energy throughout the whole entire day. But guys, Java Burn is fantastic because you can be making some really cool recipes with it. You can be mixing it into like a frap, a frappuccino, a cappuccino, a latte, stuff like that, or just like a lungo, a tall black coffee. But this is fantastic because it's going to get your metabolism pumped up. It's going to really help you to target stored fats and melt them off quickly. But the amount of like energy you're going to have, the amount of disposition is phenomenal, And Java Burn, it is standing out in the market today because all of the ingredients that contain in Java Burn are strictly organic. This does not have disgusting chemicals in it. It does not have stuff like that. It's just the power of Mother Nature, all right? So once you do start using Java Burn, here's the deal. It's just a packet a day, I know, and you are going to start to see results really quickly, so be patient. Also, we all have different metabolism. It's normal that some people get faster results than others, but what's really fantastic about Java Burn is that this is going to also help you to increase your health, like your immunity. It's going to help you become much more like full of self-esteem, You're going to be a person who's looking at yourselves in the mirror and falling in love each and every day, but of course, you're going to lose a lot of weight. So hop over to their official webpage to learn more. You have a money back guarantee in case you don't like it. So think about that. All right. For now, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.